Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the MAC address on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, you have to open the control center, then go to settings by clicking this gear icon. After that, you're gonna have to go to About ChromeOS, and here you're gonna have to select Diagnostics. Go to Connectivity on the sidebar. Here you'll be able to check your device's MAC address. Besides, you can also close this window, go to your network settings, select your active network. Here in Advanced menu, if you scroll down, you'll be able to spot your device's MAC address as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.